Whoa. Hey, Madison. How you guys doing tonight? It feels great to be back here. Before I start my little set here, I just want to give a big shout out and a big thank you to the HHR committee and especially to Jer and Mai, the facilitators. So here is my beautiful sister Putter. She's going to be joining me here playing the guitar for yep, for outside the. So ready? 3, 4.
Cho thấu cụ tao tự con ở tại đây nó thấu một cái blue có bùa thấu cụ tao để con nhìn nó chỉ mua lên từ tua chỉ mua lên từ lo blue nó bùa to your own no blue tai dua sa có mua nhung đỡ dua to your own no so của mua yo to go ile ở tại đây no sa tua có cha
Thank you so much, you guys. Ocho, thank you. We're actually, okay. Before we move, though, I've got one more song for you guys, and this is actually a special collaboration. So I'm going to call up some great artists that you guys already saw. So first, Chick Spittin' Fire. Please join me, please. Woohoo! Awesome. I would like Thu Psycho Lee of Delicious Venom to come on out. Where are you? Oh, okay, right behind me. Awesome. Okay. And last but not least, Shoe Lord of the Kong and Shoe Project.
Yeah, anybody videotaping this? Okay, because we need you to put it on YouTube, because this is a remix of Hmong Movement by Deuce Khan and Pagnia show. And then Deuce Khan said he wants us to record it and put it on YouTube. So, and this was all communicated through text message. All right, anyways.